So let's put those two things that we learned in the last podcast to work. The prime factorization, that's that factor tree stuff, and the radicals law, where you can break down a radical and you can just multiply them together as two radicals, right? Okay, so how are we going to do this? First things first, these are all square roots. And I'm going to tell you right now, when you're dealing with square roots, you're going to look for pairs. What do I mean? I'll show you in a second. Okay, so here we go. Start breaking 18 down. You know 18 breaks down to 9 times 2, right? Check this out. 9 can break down to 3 times 3. Just carry that 2 along with you. Well, lo and behold, look what you got. You have a pair. So what do we do? What does that 3 times 3 mean? Well, this, if you think about it, is the same as saying root 9 times root 2. Root 9 is square rootable. That's 3 root 2. But what if you didn't know that? What if you didn't see that the 9 was square rootable? Well, once you broke it down to 3 times 3, all you'd have to do is take one of those pairs out. There's the 3, and follow it up by, well, look at that. It's sitting there all alone. Throw it back under the radical sign, and there you got it. There's your mixed radical. That's how you do it. Sort of got that one, eh? Let's try another one. Look at 48. 48 breaks down. Now, I know and you know it divides by 2. That's fine. But don't forget, don't get stuck on this 2, 2, 2, 2 stuff, okay? Divide it by 4. Surprisingly, this is 12 times 4. Look at that. Which means, check this out. 12 is actually 6 times 2. Keep breaking it down. There's 4, 2 times 2. Now it says, look for pairs. But you're not finished the prime factorization because 6 is not prime yet. Keep breaking these down until you get right down to the very bare bones. Look at that. 3 times 2, that's 6. There's that 2 that we're bringing down. There's another 2 we're bringing down. There's another 2 we're bringing down. Now, according to this, it says look for pairs. Look for those pairs. Check it out. I've got a pair of 2s. So if I got a pair of 2s, grab one, bring it up front. Why? Because 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. See? So I'm pointing out all of the squares. Check that out. That's a square. See how it works? Pull out a 2. There it is. Look what's left. Whatever's left, put it back under the radical sign. And the cool thing then is, all you have to do is kind of clean this up. 2 times 2, 4 root 3. There's your mixed. See how it works? Honestly, that's the easiest way to do these things. Check it out. Same thing goes with this. But you know what? You know what's great? When they give you a 0. Because you know right away, that's going to be 5 times 10. Oh, that is just so pretty. Check this out. There's 5. Break down the 10. That's 5 times 2. Oh my goodness. There's your pair. Put what's left under the radical sign. Next question. Bring it on. Okay, here we go. Look at this one. Oh, I gave you another 0. 8 times 10. Okay. Oh, hey, look. 8, our favorite. Remember? Star Wars. 2, 2, 2. Beautiful. 10, 2 times 5. Oh my goodness, they're all prime factorized. They're all down to their prime numbers. You can't break them down anymore. Start looking for pairs. There's a 2. There's another pair of 2s. Isn't that pretty? And what's left? Root 5. But, didn't you have a 2 up front to begin with? Yeah, you just put it there. And check this out. 2, 2, 2. That's going to be 8 root 5. Oh, I can't even throw fancy ones at you anymore. You can figure this out. Well, then, why don't you just stop the podcast for a second, see if you can figure out the last one on your own? Huh? I dare ya. I dare ya. I'll help you. Okay, here we go. Ready? There's a 60. You know that's 6 times 10. 6 breaks down to 2 times 3. 10 breaks down to 2 times 5. Oh, where's the pair? The pair is right there. It's a pair of 2s. Take it out. 2. What's left? You got a 3 and a 5 left. So you know what? Just put them under the bracket. Don't forget the 7 that was up front. So there's my 7. Okay, 7 times 2. There's my 14. But don't leave this as 3 times 5. That's kind of gross looking. Okay? Multiply them out. 3 times 5 is in fact 15. And that, sports fans, is what you got. That's how you do these questions Real super simple, very, very quick.